Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you a couple of items that I got from Paintsomeway. So I have an explanation behind both of these. One you'll know, but then the other one, yeah, it's self-explanatory. Let me just jump into it. Okay, I'm going to start with this one because I'm excited about this one. So you guys know that a few months ago, I don't even know how long ago now, my husband and I revamped my storage in my closet so that I had room for cubes. And I have one cube like this that I've already done, and I use it to store some diamond painting stuff in. But I thought, oh, I should get another one because why not? So I got this one. Now, the one that I currently have is a butterfly. But I really like this tree design. You see it all over the place. There's all kinds of different versions for different seasons and things. And at some point, maybe I'll get all the different versions and make those kind of a set for my cubes, but we'll see. But for now, I got this one. So it's a cube storage thing. It has the thing that you put in the bottom so that it will stay flat, and I store diamond paintings in it. But it folds up until you're done diamond painting it. So we get our little kit, and I don't know what the size of this is. I guess I could measure it really quick. It fits in, standard cubes. So what is that? 25 centimeters, 10 inches by 10 and a half, something like that, 26 and a half centimeters. So it fits in my little cube storage that I got, which is why I wanted another one. So we get our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We do get some tweezers because this is a special drill kit. And then we have our drills here. So because there is no schematic on the actual piece, you get a schematic like this. So we've got 12 colors, 12 symbols, I guess we should say. I don't know if they're actually different colors, but you know what I mean. So let me check in here and see. Now some of them are going to be just regular rhinestones, but then some of them are going to be special drills. So let me move all this stuff out of the way so we can look at our drills. So we've got clear, we've got red, we've got pink, green, and then of course we have black. That's going to be for the trunk of the tree, I'm going to guess. Oh, no, it isn't. Wait, yes it is. It is for the trunk of the tree. Then we have purple, a dark blue, a yellow, and then we get into our special drills. We've got a round green iridescent. We've got a marquee shaped clear iridescent. We've got a slightly larger blue marquee shape, and then we've got that kind of antique gold smaller marquee shape. So all of those I'm sure are going to be used in the flower petals and everything. But I just thought it was really cute. And you peel off, it's kind of sewn in, so you have to kind of rip off the plastic, which I just make a little cut in it and then peel it off. So I'm not going to do it here, but yeah, and then you just diamond paint it. I'm excited because I'm going to do this one up and add it to my storage collection. So yeah, there's that. And this one is $13.99. And they do have lots of other designs. I just happen to like the tree one because I like it. All right. And then this is my other canvas. And let me figure out how to get in here. This one is bigger than I would normally get. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to get on camera, but I will stick a picture up there when I get to that point, if I can't get it all on camera. Okay, let me try and get this rolling. The canvas is actually nice and thin. You just have to get it started rolling. Okay, so that's nice. It does roll up really nice. There's some schmutz on the back of it. And a drill. Ooh, a couple of drills that escaped. So let me get rid of those. I don't think missing 2 drills is going to kill me. Okay, so for this one, boat, 2 big plates of wax and 2 pins. don't know if they figure I'm gonna, oh, there's 2 boats too. They figure I'm gonna double-handed diamond paint. Has anyone ever done that? That would be funny to see. Okay, so it is a round kit. The drills are in baggies. Look at those gorgeous colors. And in looking at the drills, I don't see dimples. So those look good. Okay, so let me show you the canvas. And so I'm turning it around the right way. Here it is. So let me zoom out a little more and see if I can get a little bit more of it in there. Okay. So you can see most of it. It is just this very abstract kind of geometric picture, but you guys know I love abstract, geometric. I did that gothic looking one from fan sales that I love so much, but I saw this one and thought, ooh, this would be a good one. You know, there's color blocking, so you could practice some of that, but it's a nice mix of colors and it would be fun and colorful. And it looks kind of like stained glass, so I'll stick that picture over there so you can see the original artwork. And yeah, I just thought it was really pretty. 24 colors in this one, and we do have our DMC codes. Of course, we don't get those with the crystals, but we do get them with our rounds. So we do have a schematic on both sides, both here at the top and then over here at the bottom. It is nice and sticky. Now this is sold as a 60 by 45 or 45 by 60, I guess, however you want to do it. 45, it is, if I stretch it out, because it's not laying quite flat, it is 54.5 across centimeters by, how many this way? By, interesting, right at 40 this way. So 40 this way instead of 45, but it's only like 54.5 going the other direction. But still plenty big, and bigger, like I said, than I would normally get. But I just thought this one was really pretty. Let me get the drills out so we can look at those. And again, those of you who work, like working from baggies, will be all set since these are all these colors are already in baggies. Let me pull these out here. And let's look at our colors. Okay, so we have this pretty bright yellow. We have black. We have red, like a sage green, a dark gray, kind of a slate blue, a purple, and then we have a green, and then a light green, an orange, like a darker yellow, a light orange, a brown, a dark blue, a dark green, and then I never know what to call this color. It's kind of a mustardy color, but it has green undertones. I don't know, it's a weird color. All right, then we have a dark brown, or like a coral color, a bright green, another brown, kind of a dark peach color, and then we get a light gray, kind of a dark blue, and then kind of another of that dark turquoise blue. So no double bags of any color. There are a couple of bags. The black and the yellow I would say probably have the most, but most of the rest of them aren't too bad. Like not huge amounts of any one color. I guess there's quite a bit of that brown, but yeah, I'm actually really happy with that. I think this one will be really pretty when it's done. And I've got another loose drill in there. Okay, let me put these all back in the bag. And this one was $10.99. So, and I will, as usual, stick links down below in the description box so that you guys can find these items for yourself, as well as check out anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. So we've got our pretty stained glass abstract, And then we have our pretty spring tree with the butterflies and everything, storage cube that I'm going to add to my collection. Okay guys, I'm back. I managed to finish one of the items and I wanted to show you what it looked like finished. So, ta-da! Here is my new storage cube. I gotta say, I really like how this one turned out. It was a nice mix of kind of some big special drills, the petals of the flowers here, and then a lot of the different just colored rhinestones. But I think it turned out really well. I'm actually really happy with it, and I can't wait to use it as a storage cube and start putting all of my diamond painting things in it. I know just where it's gonna go, and yeah, I think it turned out really well. It didn't take very long at all. And now I have a new storage cube that I can use in my little cubey system. That's it for me today, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.